All right, we're going to graph the quantity of x minus 2 squared over 9 plus the quantity of y plus 1 squared over 16 equals to 1. And we have an ellipse because of the x squared term and the y squared term have different positive coefficients. So let's find the center. We do have a center. It's not just x squared alone and y squared alone. We have x minus 2 and y plus 1. We have our h and we have our k. So our center, taking the opposite of h and k, is positive 2 and negative 1. So let's find positive 2, negative 1. That's our center. And then we want to determine from the center how many units we're going to be moving left, right, up, and down. So to find our a squared, look for the highest number in the denominator, the highest constant term. So our a squared is going to be 16. Therefore, a is 4. Now, our 16, going back to the equation, is paired with the y squared term. So that means we're going to be moving along the y-axis, meaning we're going to go up 4 units and then down 4 units. So let's count from 2, negative 1. Go up 4 units. 1, 2, 3, 4. So here is 1 point, which is at 2, 3. Then we're going to go down 4 units from 2, negative 1. 1, 2, 3, 4. We have 2, negative 5. Then our b squared is 9. Take the square root to both sides, and we have b is equal to plus or minus 3. So since 4 is the highest, or 16 is the highest, our major axis, so along the y-axis. Therefore, our minor would be the x-axis. So let's go ahead and count 3 units left and right from 2, negative 1. 1, 2, 3. We have here 5, negative 1. And then to the left, 1, 2, 3. We have negative 1, negative 1. Okay, so that is our ellipse. Our foci, a squared minus b squared is equal to c squared. We have 16 minus 9 is equal to c squared. And then 16 minus 9 gives us, what is that, 7. Take the square root of 7, and we have c is equal to plus or minus the square root of 7. And let's find this approximation. And we have here 2.6. Okay. Now it's just not 0 and 2.6. We're going to be talking about moving where our center is at, since our major axis. So it's going to be at 2, and that should be plus or minus 2 and plus or minus 2.6. So we're saying something, let's see, all right, about here. That's our put F there for the focus. and C for the center. So there we go. And now if I ask you what's the domain and range, our domain would be from -1 to +5. Our range would be from -5 to +3. There we go.